Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Festival Collection. So friends, I hope you all are fine, doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of your blouses and your tees for you, and I hope that you like this video as well. So as you can see that it's a very new video for you and for your kids as well. So you can see the type of cheetah prints are here for you, and the type of cheetah shirts are here for you, and these tees are for also for teenagers, but it's up to you that if you are a man or if you're a boy, so you can also wear these type of shirts as well, because it's a very new fashion and it's a very attractive fashion, you know that. Take care of yourself and your family as well, and please keep subscribing my channel as usual. You are supporting me, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. And guys, if you want to see more about this type of fashion ideas, so you can just tell me that you want to see this or that, so inshallah next time I'll tell you that if I want to see more about fashion, so inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you as well. And if you want to see more about this type of fashion ideas, so you can just tell me. You can see such type of frill and such type of boyd shade are here for you, and these type of shirts are very popular, guys. So guys, please keep supporting me as usual. You are supporting me. You can see such bonnet, and it's a very new crop top, and it's a very new collection of 2020 as well, even though it's a new collection of your 2021 year as well. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing all videos. And please take care of yourself and your family as well, and keep supporting me as usual. You are supporting me, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. And you can see such type of, you know, that your carved sleeves are here for you, and you can see such a different type of shirt is this, and it's you can see such embroidered sleeves are here. It's a very new fashion video. You can see such type of pearls are started in this blouse shirt. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing our videos, and keep supporting me as usual. You are supporting me, and thank you so much for your love and for your support. I hope that you're interested in my video as well. So if you are interested, go to the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to see my fashion uploads earlier. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon inshallah with my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.